Good afternoon. Happy Friday. I hope that you are enjoying your day. It's gorgeous. It was cold this morning, but the sun has sure turned things around, and I could not be more excited. Here on the Butler chain of lakes. So I'm going to take you through this home. I'm going to be here tomorrow 12 to 3. Come by, check out the home, and take a boat tour of Lake Down on the Butler chain. I'm going to turn this around. This is 647 Ridgewood, right off Conroy, Main Street, 6th Avenue, whatever you want to call it. We're going to step through these front doors. I have not toured the entire home. I have not walked through the entire home yet myself, so let's do it together and then come tomorrow and say hi. Let's go. Stepping right through the front doors. This home is vacant, which means you can move in tomorrow. It's ready. It's super clean, beautiful flooring, and it's really the view for me. I think I've said it before. Hey, Mike, that the backyard is my favorite room. And if I can't live on the ocean, I sure would like to live on the Butler chain of lakes, which are some of the cleanest lakes in the entire state. And Lake Down happens to be the second largest one on the chain. And guess what? Guess what? Local tip. Lake Down does not get the same boat traffic that Lake Butler does. So you kind of have the second largest lake, Lake Down, and then Little Lake Down connected to it all to yourselves. This is the place to live on the Butler chain. If you want to live on Lake Butler, you can get there. But if you want to have peace and quiet, you've got it here. Bedroom 1. Every room has a view. So far that I can tell. This is another bedroom. Nice big baseboards. Classic home. Here's the hall bath. Full bath. So it is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Hey. And it's been updated. And I'm going to take you out to see the boat dock in a minute, which is a highlight. Here's the other bathroom. Full shower, double vanity. This would be the primary. If you don't get a good view on the camera, you got to come in person and check it out. I like the shapes of the rooms, adds depth. Another view of the beautiful lake. It's a king-size bed. The tables don't fit on the side perfectly, so you probably want to move those around, but this is just to show you. That's the bath. Sorry, double closet, his and hers. All right, let's go to see the rest of the house. So the Butler chain of lakes is one of the cleanest chain of lakes in the state of Florida. Windermere was founded in 1889, making it one of Central Florida's oldest towns, and it still has the character and charm of old Florida. And right here, we are steps away from downtown. Okay, so here's the big open room, classic stone laid fireplace, it's beautiful. And dining room, updated kitchen, very modern, very sleek, very popular color scheme. And we've got pantry. You've got storage in your island cabinetry. And we've got a cool new refrigerator. Here's another view. Oh my goodness. Every room so far has got the view of the lake. That's why this is the lake house. And you can take, like I said, come take a boat ride tomorrow. How often do you go to open houses where you get to experience the lifestyle of the home apart from just looking at the features of the structure and the building? Okay, big garage, definitely 2-car. Oh, there's a secret room that I did not know about. All right, I'm at work. Little office space, storage space. What's this? I haven't been out here. Oh, okay. Do we dare? It's the other bathroom. And I'm guessing this goes outside. You got a shower in here so you can clean up before you go inside all wet from the lake. Here we go, my favorite room. You didn't believe me? Look how clean the water is. You can see the bottom. So it's like that on all 13 lakes. That's why the Butler chain of lakes is one of the cleanest lakes. They're spring fed. So clean, clear water. It's beautiful. And I grew up spending a lot of time out here. It's definitely a unique situation in Central Florida and so amazing to live on because there's always something to do and to enjoy it outdoors. So let's go check out the dock. Oh. Okay, no gators that I can see, but you know if there's spit on a sidewalk that there's a gator in it. So you've got a boat lift, a little dock area, a boat slip, and then you got a nice little 2-story dock. This would be super cool for entertaining. Imagine your next party being up here. You can see the house behind me. Look at that lake. Didn't I tell you it's Friday afternoon? Lake Butler's probably busy with people, boats, and traffic. And as you can see, most of the homes around here have a boat slip. They have a little beach. $12 p.m. to 3 p.m. tomorrow. Come see me, have a boat ride, say hi, get a hug. Peace. Happy